with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Gold brisk outlook. The set of SK Karting seat gold dropped below $1,681 over the past week has shaken the confidence of market bulls as the peak corresponds to a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement of long-term value in bullion that went from $1,046 to $2,073. With this phenomenal drop that plus had the mental below the 200-week simple moving average of $1,676 and the 50 months exponential moving average of $1,670. There is a growing possibility of gold dropping further down to the next leg lower. We are talking about the 50% Fibonacci level of $1,560 over the Fed rate hikes that can add to the dollar index traded and treasury yields. But as per old score, gold is also likely to retrace upward toward the broken support resistance zone of $1,070 of $1,710 before resuming the drop toward $1,560. Long story short, the metal has become extremely undervalued over the last 6 months as it accumulated a massive $420 loss. This is noted, while the weekly and monthly stochastic of 9 per 14 and 5 per 11 have reached oversold territories. Daily stochastic have already made a positive overlap. Going into the week ahead, recovery may target $1,695 and $1,705. Initially, buyer may step in around $1,670 or $1,665. 75 BPS Fed hike is not only baked into the cake, it's already discussed. If there's a 100 BPS for any reason, gold will meet faster than ice under 1,000 Fahrenheit. We could go to $1,618 in a blink. Beijing, China. August gasoline export rose 97 tons last month, while volumes for the January to August period were 34% lower than the corresponding period last year, according to data from the General Administration of Customs. Diesel exports were at 830 tons, up 51.80% from August 2021 on healthy export margin. Export for the January to August period totaled 25 million tons, down 78.3% on the same period last year. Export of the fuel in August declined 15.4% from the same period last year to 780 tons. However, year-to-date shipments were 44% higher than the year before at 54 million tons. Analysts and traders had expected China's export of gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel to rebound in August to near the highest for the year after Beijing issued more export quotas in June and July. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.